Hi, my name is Rebecca and I am a team lead with Moxie, and I've been working with Moxie for about 2 years now. My favorite thing about working for Moxie is the flexibility with the schedule. I have children, so that is something that I looked for when I was looking for a job, is something that would be flexible with my schedule and flexible with my kids' school schedule, and Moxie Girl was a perfect fit. I really enjoy cleaning the bedrooms. I feel like guests, when they stay in the vacation rentals, that's where they're going to spend a lot of their time, is in the bedroom, whether it be sleeping or interacting with the other guests that are here. So I really enjoy cleaning the bedrooms, making the beds nice and tight, and the vacuum lines that happen in the carpets. So I really enjoy that. No, I clean vacation rentals all over the valley, and for me that works out great because I live in the East Valley, so I do a lot of cleaning in the East Valley, but I travel all over with Moxie and get to experience different vacation rentals. So I really enjoy being able to travel and go to different areas to clean. Oh, when I'm not working with Moxie, I am a full-time mom. So I'm spending time with my 4 children and doing activities with them, and yeah, just doing mom things.